your convenience, we have designed Micellar Lotion, which combines soothing properties of skin tonic with the moisturizing qualities of cleansing milk. Micelles, dispersed in the lotion, help to clean your skin and remove water-resistant makeup. Micellar Lotion leaves a delicate lipid film on your skin, which protects it from drying. It is a great lotion for everyday use that can be applied to all types of skin. Try our light concealer if you want to highlight your eyes. Light diffusing pigments brighten your skin and make your face appear fresh and relaxed. The light and creamy formula of the concealer makes it especially useful for covering the shadows under your eyes, as well as concealing other slight imperfections. A fine brush facilitates the precision of application. If your complexion needs only brief skin tone smoothing and you don't have many imperfections to conceal, try Second Skin Foundation, which particularly lends itself to applying natural, everyday makeup. A light fluid formula ensures effortless application, while moisturizing, nourishing, and smoothing ingredients make your complexion look fresh. The fluid also contains UV filters, which protect your delicate skin from sun rays. If you want to smooth the tones of your oily or mixed skin, though there are numerous imperfections you need to conceal, try Advanced Foundation. Silicone molecules contained in the fluid make your skin silky smooth. Antioxidants protect sensitive complexion from free radicals, while UV filters block the sun rays. Additionally, the foundation contains moisturizing and nourishing ingredients. The product can be used on all types of skin. Another offer includes a mineral face powder, Desert Rose Mattifying Effect. A proper gradation of particles of talcum powder, mica, and titanium dioxide creates an optical matte effect of natural skin. The face powder seamlessly covers minor imperfections with its light and satin consistency. All pressed powders are suitable for all types of skin. If you want to achieve bronzing and suntan effects, try our Mineral Bronzing Powder. A perfect composition of pigments darkens your complexion, creating an effect of natural suntan, while the pearl dust subtly illuminates your skin and provides a smooth makeup finish. Pressed powder amber, with its silky consistency, guarantees effortless application. Highlight contours of your eyes with one line of our eyeliners. The deep black color is based on a pure kohl extract. Our product is equipped with a perfectly lined tip, which will allow you to apply both thick and thin lines on your eyelid. A capillary dispensing system and unparalleled consistency ensure seamless application. The capillary system is composed of minuscule canals through which the fluid is dispensed. Remember to store the eyeliner in a horizontal position, which will keep the tip moistened and ready to use. The eyeliner is water resistant, which prevents it from blurring and ensures a lasting effect. Highlight your eyes with our automatic eye pencil. It can apply both thick and thin lines and is a great match for selected FM Group eyeshadows. Every pencil is enriched with nourishing waxes, as well as ethereal oil, which revitalizes the delicate skin of your eyelid. Another advantage of our automated pencil is its water resistance, which prevents lines from blurring. The design of pencil's protective cover makes application easier thanks to its automatic stick and useful sharpener readily placed at the base. Now it is time to emphasize your eyes with our eyeshadows based on carefully selected mineral ingredients. Their formula was inspired by semi-precious gems such as sapphire, iron oxides, and pearls. Thanks to their unique dermatologically tested formula, our eyeshadows do not cause skin irritation. A high concentration of skin pigments provides an intensive color, and silky consistency makes distribution even, while a delicate pearl glow will brighten your face. The case contains a palette of 3 harmonized shades. Play with colors on your eyelids with our pearl and matte eye shades, which make your looks captivating. Highly delicate pigments ensure close adherence to the eyelid. and prevent shades from crumbling and accumulating on the bends of your skin. The case contains 2 harmonized shades of trendy color compositions. Combination of unique shades of orange and bronze will make your eyes naturally sparkling, whereas complementing dark blue and pink themes create an impression of fresh and light puffs. Additionally, elegant burgundy pink shades are especially useful in applying smoky eye makeup. Contrastive emerald sandy shades make your makeup look more dynamic and, at the same time, optically invigorate your face. In order to make your lips look more prominent, choose Spicy Nude Lip Gloss. It contains ingredients which cool and tone up your lips' blood supply. You will feel a pleasant tingling after application. The lip gloss contains nourishing oils extracted from grapes, safflower, and soya. Moreover, our lip gloss can be applied independently, as well as on the lipstick. In the latter case, the lip gloss emphasizes its color and ensures a lasting effect. This product is an excellent choice for everyone who wants to apply a nude look makeup. The lip gloss contains UV filters and a handy dispenser. The wet lip effect can be easily obtained by using our innocent pink lip gloss. Opalescent pearl dust and light reflections optically smooth your lips and make them gleam intensively. The lip gloss contains nourishing grape, safflower, and soya oils, as well as UV filters and a handy dispenser. Application of subtle rose or plum gold lip gloss is the best way to obtain a gorgeous color of your lips. An elegant shade of subtle rose helps to highlight the natural beauty of your lips. Subtly emphasize their shape as well as to provide a gentle glow. The fascinating color of plum gold is a blend of plum tones interwoven with grains of golden glitter which highlight and illuminate your lips. Both lip glosses contain nourishing ingredients and unsaturated fatty acids which prevent your lips from drying and premature aging of the skin around them. They also contain UV filters and are packed in a handy dispenser. Our automatic lip liner will help you achieve a precise emphasis of the shape of your lips by unfolding their natural beauty. Lip liners contain intensively nourishing waxes, which gently affect your lips. They are water resistant, so they do not blur. Additionally, they are equipped with an automatic stick, which includes a sharpener readily placed at their base. All lip liners form a seamless match with the colors of our lipsticks. If you dream of sultry lips, try our 5-piece collection of lipsticks. All of them include oligopeptides, which shape your lips, giving them a tempting appearance. Refined combination of waxes, oils, and nourishing and moisturizing substances provide your lips with natural grease, protecting them from soaring and chapping. Meticulously selected composition of pigments covers your lips evenly and gives them a stunning color and sensual glow. Every lipstick is refined with grapeseed oil rich in vitamin E, which slows down the aging process. Soya oil contains unsaturated fatty acids, which help your skin rebuild a protective shield. Moreover, the lipsticks contain UV filters, which protect against the sun rays. Shape your face optically to make it more attractive. Use our mineral blush with its revitalizing effect. This product lends itself to modeling the oval of your face and subtle makeup finish. The blusher is based on minuscule minerals and pearl dust, which makes the color shimmer on the opalescent skin. The pressed powder is suitable for all types of skin. Use our mineral blush bronzing effect in order to achieve the bronzing effect and to warm the color of your skin gently. The blush was based on microscopic minerals, which help to optically model the shape of your face. The pressed powder can be applied on all types of skin. We have decided to use baked blush technology while designing this product. The process resembles production of china. First, ingredients are mixed to form a smooth mass. Then, the mass is baked in high temperature. Thanks to this process, we are able to produce a blush consisting of 90% of pear or pearl pigments, which makes colors more intensive and glittering. This technology offers another advantage, namely the possibility of both wet and dry application of the blush. In the first option, Mix the blush on the brush with a little water in order to obtain more vibrant and deep colors. The latter allows you to apply dry pastel colors on your skin. Our delicious papaya and blooming rose will also lend itself as eye shades. It is composed of macadamia nut oil, which moisturizes and softens your skin, at the same time makes our product highly efficient. Have you already tried our baked body powder? We have developed a product which can be used in 4 independent ways. Mineral pigments which reflect light allow this product to cover skin imperfections and to brighten your face, neck, and shoulders. Jojoba and macadamia nut oils, together with extracts made from white lily bulbs, moisturize the skin and improve its elasticity. The powder gives your body an attractive, slightly shimmering tone and can be applied wet and dry. It does a fantastic job as eye shade, face modeling blush, or bronzing face powder. Try also to brush your legs and arms with it to achieve a surprising effect. Impeccable makeup undoubtedly requires the use of first-class applicators. One example might be a powder brush with a handy profile and slightly rounded shape. It is made of soft, delicate synthetic hair and does not absorb an excessive amount of a given product, which makes even application effortless. Gentle touches of clean brush will collect the surplus of makeup from your face without a negative impact on the overall effect. Eye shades can be applied with the use of fine, skillfully manufactured brushes. The first applicator is a dull brush, made with the use of synthetic hair. It makes even application of eye shades easier. Moreover, it perfectly lends itself as a precise applicator of pressed and loose products, as well as those with both creamy and fluid consistencies. The second applicator is made of conveniently profiled latex sponge, perfect for wet and dry application of various products. It distributes shades exceptionally well and enables you to produce subtle nuances between different tones on your eyelids, as well as to play with light and shadow to attain seductive effects. Your favorite products of FM Group can be stored in a smart casual vanity case made of creamy and golden satin anchored by a black lining. The vanity case has a convenient handle and a zipper. It will make a perfect match to your purse.